Hey guys, happy Monday. Today's principle of the ABCs of manifestation is Principle E. Principle E stands for extreme execution. Why? Because a dream without execution is just a dream. It's not a dream come true. And as we all know, faith without works is dead. And a vision without execution is hallucination because it's just a vision. Nothing exists. So as we spoke about in Principle A, the visionary or meditation piece of what it is that you desire, connected with the extreme execution, is what I call manifestation. Let me explain a little deeper. So when you envision and or meditate on what it is that you have, connected with feeling as though you've already accomplished it or you already have what it is that you desire, that is the manifestation of the spiritual form. And as the Bible says, you have to have it in spirit before you can experience it in the physical. Okay? Execution on that vision is what manifests the physical form of your desire. So think of it as your vision is planting the seed, while the extreme execution is the process taken in between seed planting and harvest. I hope y'all had a wonderful day, and I will see y'all next week for Principle F of the ABCs of Manifestation.